What's up, you guys? Hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. In our channel, we have been trying to cover the basics of Java programming. If you are interested in learning Java from the basics, don't forget to check out our videos and consider subscribing to our channel. In the recent past videos, we have been talking extensively about the collection framework in Java. So this video is an extension of that particular series, and today we are going to talk about a map implementation in Java called as the tree map. In a recent past video, we spoke about one such implementation called as an hash map in Java, and today we are going to talk about a tree map in Java. So how to create a tree map? So tree map, so this is going to be the syntax of the tree map. So my map equals to new tree map in Java. So tree map will sit inside the package Java-util and you need to import it. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that my tree map is going to hold integer as the key and the string as the value. As we have discussed earlier about the map implementations, it is going to hold the values in terms of key value pass. And in this map, and I'm going to hold some values. So like I'm going to hold the employee IDs and the employee name. So let the employee ID be 100 for one of the employee and let its name be Tom, and I'm going to add few other employees, some 4 employees, and this employee ID is some 333, the third employee's ID is some 222, and the fourth employee's ID is some 121. And the name of the second employee, let it be Dick. Third employee, let his name be Harry, and the fourth employee, let his name be Sam. Now let's try to print this particular map and let's see what is getting printed. So to explain you what we have written, we have created a tree map and we have initialized a tree map and we have added some values. And the way to add a values to the map is by making use of the put method, where you have to insert the key and the value. And we have already mentioned that our map is going to hold keys of type integer and values of type string. And now if you run this particular program, so run as Java application, so you can see that the elements are sorted in terms of ascending order of the keys. So this is the basic differentiation between a hash map and a tree map. In hash map, the order is not maintained, but whereas all the elements will be in random order, but whereas in tree map, even though you insert the elements in different order, like first I inserted 100, then 333, then 222, then 121, but the tree map in itself will assign the elements or will order the elements in ascending order. Like the first will be 100, then 121, 222 and 333, which is the speciality of the tree map. And how to remove the elements from a tree map, which is same as that of the hash map, which we have seen by making use of the remove method. So we have the remove method where you have to send in the key. If you send in the key, that particular element will be removed from your map. So when you run this program as a Java application, you can see that 121 key has got removed from your map. Apart from this put and the remove method, there are variety of other methods provided by this tree map implementation, like clear, clone. If you want to clear the map, empty the elements of your map, you can make use of the clear method. Duplicate your map by making use of the clone method. If you wanted to check whether your map contains a specific key or not, then you can make use of the contains key, where it returns the output in terms of a boolean value, true or false. Wanted to check whether your map contains a specific value or not, you can make use of the contains value. And if you wanted to check the first key, so there are lots of variety of methods. We wanted to get one particular key, for example, so if I wanted to know I wanted to know the name of the employee whose employee number is 333. So what I have to do is like my map dot get of that particular key 333 will exactly tell me what is the value which is sitting with that particular key. So with 333, the value is a Dick. So this way there are variety of methods. You can play with those methods and you can just learn about those methods which are available. And iterating a tree map is also similar to that of an hash map in Java. So what you have to do is that, so you have to take your map and you wanted to get the entry set of your map, okay, and assign this entry set to name of the set, and you have to include your set package, and this entry set will tell you what are the elements which are available in your map. Maybe if we want, we can just try to print it out and see what is sitting in the my set. It will return you, sorry, it will return you the elements of your map. So run as a Java application. If you see, so this is the entry set of your map. So now what do you have to do by making use of the iterator object? So iterator, the name of the iterator is equal to my entry set dot iterator, sorry, my entry set dot iterator, and you have to include your iterator which sits inside the util package, making use of the while loop, while iterator dot of hash next. So what you have to do, this iterator dot next will contain map dot entry. So map dot entry of the key value, so you don't have to mention it. Ideally it is going to be of key integer and value string. So my entry, so my some name equals your iterator dot next, okay, and you can try to print what is the key and what is the value. So key is, you can print it as your entry dot get of key, and if you wanted to print the value, you can make use of entry dot get of value. Now since you have printed only the key and as Java application, you can see that unresolved, there is some problem. Iterator dot next add cast to the entry. So you have to just cast this particular object to an entry type, and now if you run this particular program, so run as Java application, you will be able to see that key is, it is printing the various keys which is available in your map. If you wanted to print the value, you can also make use of the method get of value. This will print the values which is there in your map. To reiterate what we have seen about the tree map implementation of the map interface, how to insert elements in the map, and in what way tree map is different from the hash map. It is different in terms of sorting the elements by terms of key in ascending order. Even though you don't order it, the map will order it, and even when you iterate it, it will iterate and give you in the same order. And what are the other elements? And we have seen about one other element, like one other function like the entry set. It will give you the entry set, and you can check if you wanted to fetch the element of a specific key, then you can make use of get of the particular key, and there are a variety of other methods which you can play and you can work it out. Hope you found this video informative. If you have any further questions related to the tree map, don't forget to comment it out in the comment section. We will reply out, or we'll try to make a video out of it. If you really found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We will meet you in one other exciting video soon. Thank you.